Hello, I'm Moises Ariaza, production manager at Panet. We're a family-run bakery whose story began back in 1962. We've been doing this for more than 6 decades. We started with a small bakery, and today we have 45 stores. With GPG ovens, we found that sweet spot. Even as production increases, we can still maintain that same quality in every product. We have 2 static rack ovens from GPG. The way they bake is just like the traditional ovens. Gentle, even heat all around. That's where we bake our special breads, what we call our gourmet breads. Carrot bread, walnut, and raisin bread. They rise beautifully with a thin crust and an airy dough. The static oven guarantees high production with excellent quality results. We choose electric ovens because we have solar panels installed in our facilities. It's a more sustainable option. We work with very long fermentations and liquid sourdough, which we refresh every day. We tested several ovens, and in the end, the GPG refractory stone oven gave us the best development for our type of bread. It gives us a very crisp crust, airy dough, more flavor, and a more natural, slightly darker crumb color. That hazelnut tone, qualities that very few ovens can achieve. In the static REFRAC, refractory ovens, we bake large loaves and long fermented breads, like pan de pailles, rustic-style loaves, big country breads, and even a square-shaped format that develops very consistently in this oven. The automatic loader makes our work much easier. It reduces physical effort and allows a single operator to load and unload all the oven decks at the same time, without any additional effort. With these thermal oil ovens, we can keep working with our traditional recipes. These ovens allow us to bake non-stop from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. The quality of the product is the same, from the first loaf we take out at 9 to the last one at 6 in the morning. With the stone oven, we get a firm base and a very crisp crust, just like the old traditional ovens.